How to create secret chat lock code in WhatsApp. Here is a quick guide to help you create secret chat lock code in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp application on your device. Launch the app and then ensure to log in or sign in to your WhatsApp account. Access your log chats section by tapping on log chats at the top of the screen. Scan your fingerprint to continue or enter the password. On this section, select the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap on Chat Log Settings and toggle on the button for Hide Log Chats. Select Create Secret Code at bottom of the screen and enter the secret code. You can use a word or emoji but make it memorable. A secret code lets you find log chats in the search bar. Tap on Next button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, use at least 4 characters or one emoji. Now again confirm the secret code and tap on Done button. Once done, you can unlock your chats with the secret code instead of your device password. That's it. That's how we easily create secret chat lock code in WhatsApp. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.